Pat here with a brief tutorial on how to save your document as a PDF. You've probably taken a class and somebody's required you to have a PDF document instead of a Microsoft Word file or a Google Docs file. So I'm just going to show you, for those of you who use Microsoft Word or Google Docs when you're composing, how you can actually save your files as a PDF. That makes it much easier to upload your documents to Canvas or Blackboard or any of the other learning management systems, because some learning management systems don't accept Apple Pages or other formats. So you want to use a format that is easily uploaded and spares the frustration of having to do something again for your instructor. So let me share my page here, and I'll start with Microsoft Word first. You'll see here, this is actually our template for our UC syllabi, and I'm not going to make any changes to that document, but I want you to see when you come over to the file area, click on File and choose Save As instead of Save. So over here in the left-hand menu bar, you will get Save As. So I click on that and it opens up to your saving area. And if you click on the drop-down menu, you have a bunch of options. I want you to go about halfway down to where it says PDF. So you'll get a .pdf extension on your file. And then you click Save. And I've done this before, so you will then see that it is clicked, it's saved as a PDF, and you would just go to your file menu to make sure that it has in fact saved as a PDF. So the next thing I want to share is the Google Docs. So here I have a document up in my Google Docs, and what you're going to do once again is go over to the file menu here, all the way over on the far left, and you go down to where it says download. So instead of save as, you don't have that option there, you have download. You could save it as a Microsoft Word document. Some instructors just work with Microsoft Word, and if you're composing in Google Docs, you want to be able to have your document read by your instructors. So if you have to save it as a docx file, you can do that. You download as docx. But you also have several other options, just like you do in Microsoft Word. And one of those options is to save it as a PDF document. So if you save it as PDF, it will then save as a PDF. And I will show you with my sharing of new screen how that Google Docs document is now saved as an Adobe PDF. So it's pretty straightforward, but if you've never done it before, then you obviously don't know how to do it, right? So it's good to have a little tutorial to help you along your way, and hopefully this makes things easier as you move through your classes. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.